Hey beautiful, hey handsome, hey awesome, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to learn English, but we're going to do it in an interesting way because today I'm going to try to cook something. I'm going to try to cook some Korean food. It's okay, it's not really from scratch. I'm going to use a sauce that I bought from an Asian market. I'm going to be using chicken. I won't be using my cat. This is Jeffrey, my cat, by the way. Say hi, Jeffrey. Hope you can learn something new from this video, and I hope I don't burn my house down, and I hope I don't cut my finger. So enjoy and see you at the end of the video. So today we're going to try to make Gochujang BBQ chicken, barbecue chicken, hot and spicy Korean chicken. So here are the ingredients. Of course, the main ingredient is the chicken. I have chopped up some chicken, 250 grams. And then I've also got some red pepper that I have also chopped up, and onion. I like eating onion, but I hate chopping onions. Here is some chopped up onions. Maybe not the best chopped onions in the world, but I am not a chef, so don't take cooking lessons from me. Half of it went on the floor. You see, look at the mess I made. Half of it went all over the floor. And I'm trying to talk to you while my eyes are watering. So yeah, be careful when you cut up onion. So I'm basically going to follow the recipe from the back of this packet. And this is the cooking sauce. So we're gonna cook chicken, pepper and onion together and then add this sauce. So what's the first thing we have to do? So I have a pan here on the stove, and what I'm going to do is put oil in so I can grease the pan. Hopefully that will be enough. And so what I'm going to do is just to put this on a heat to heat up the oil. So here we are just a few seconds later, and you can see that my oil is in the pan and it is starting to heat up, as you can see in the bubbles there. And the first thing I'm going to do probably is, well, to be honest with you, I don't actually know what I'm doing. I'm just going to put everything in the order that I think it should go in. And then lastly, I'm going to add the sauce. Maybe that's what I should do. So I think the first thing I'm going to do is add the onions, and then the red pepper, followed by the chicken. Make sure the chicken is thoroughly cooked well, and then probably add this sauce. Look at this sauce. Look at the color inside. It's so red. And the smell, it's a smell I've never ever smelt before. I don't know how to explain it to you. My Korean friends, 안녕하세요. Tell me in the comments. It's an amazing sauce. It smells good. Hopefully it will taste as good. I better watch this before I burn my house down. As you can see, I've just put in the onion. One little piece of pepper got in as well, but the onions are now starting to sizzle. I'm going to wait until they start turning brown, and then I'm going to pop on top the red pepper. I'm using my wooden spoon just to stir everything around, make sure everything is covered very well. So far so good, right? By the way, I do accept feedback on my cooking skills as well. So if you're enjoying yourself, let me know in the comments below. Give me some cooking tips, please. And make sure you press the thumbs up. So I've just added my red peppers, my mild red peppers. And now they are in my pan, sizzling away. You can hear the sizzling sound, right? Beautiful sound. By the way, Korean friends, I know this is not exactly maybe the right ingredients you use. I've just adapted it because I couldn't find any what we call green onion. I just have the plain onion, white onion, and red pepper. I just added red pepper because I like it, and I couldn't get any cabbage. Apparently, people put cabbage in this. So I'm going to try this anyway. It looks good so far, right? Just got to get the chicken ready now. Wow, what a noise. I've just added the chicken. I'm going to make sure all the parts of the chicken are white and cooked a little bit. And then I'm going to add the sauce. What do you think so far? Let me know in the comments. Okay, I think it's done. Here's the moment of truth. Let's hope this works. Oh yeah, let's get that all in. Oh, is that it? Maybe I need to get some more in there. I think that's the sauce. All I'm going to do now is just, after now I've poured in the sauce, I've got to stir it up, I think. Looks empty to me, doesn't it? Oh, that smell. Woo. And here she is, ready. It actually smells amazing. I've never tried this before. I've never really tried Korean food before, but it smells absolutely amazing. And it's made 2 dinners, or a lunch and a dinner. So I'm really looking forward to trying this now. So see you very soon as I try out this Gochujang BBQ chicken. So here she is again. I've decided to use chopsticks. I was in China and Chinese people use chopsticks, and Japanese use chopsticks, so I assume Korean people know how to use chopsticks too, and they eat this dish with chopsticks, so I feel like I should eat with chopsticks. I hope that's okay. If I'm wrong, let me know in the comments below. But I can use chopsticks. I'm pretty good. I'm pretty good with chopsticks. Lived in China, so I'm good with chopsticks. So let's try it now, shall we? Let's see if I can bring the camera up so you can see my face. Hello again, everyone. Well, it's been a warm day today, long day, so I feel a little sweaty. Here we go. Here's the moment of truth, and I'll blow on it because it's a little hot. Again, it smells really nice. It looks tomato. I think it's mostly pepper rather than tomato. So used to looking at red sauce and thinking it's tomato, but it's not. How shall I say? Yeah, there's a bit of spice to that. That's good. I don't know if it's my cooking, but you know, sometimes when you cook your own food and you taste your own food and you think, oh, that's lovely. And then you give it to somebody else and they're like, here, maybe you'd feel the same. But I think this is pretty good. I think it's pretty good. There is a spice to it. So after a while, you get this lingering taste in the back of your mouth, the taste that stays there. Just on my tongue at the moment, there's this like spice, but I like this kind of food. You know, in UK, we eat some really bad food. We eat really bland food, like food without any taste. But this has got a good taste to it. I'll just put this up. Wow, it looks so nice. I don't know how you feel, by the way, watching me eat, but maybe I've overcooked it a little bit. Maybe you noticed that. You were probably watching me, you expert cooks who cook every day, are like, he's cooking the onions too long. He's cooking everything too long. I just want to make sure I've cooked it well, that's all. Maybe the chicken could have been a bit more tender, could have been a bit more soft. But anyway, it's really nice. Anyway, I'm going to go on and... Sorry, it's rude to eat with my mouth open, with something in my mouth. So, thank you so much for coming today. I hope you really enjoyed it. Oh, that's a little spicy. And I hope you learned something new. Good listening. Oh dear. Good listening exercise for you. And thank you so much for joining. See you in the next video, okay? You are awesome. You are handsome. And wow, you are beautiful.